Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A few of you have been asking about the recipe for seitan using just regular bread flour instead of buying the wheat gluten, so I thought I'd film a video to show you guys how to do it. So let's get started. Okay, so when I was originally making it, I used about 3/4 of this bag, which is, the bag is 1.5 kg. So I'm going to try it today using the leftovers, so I'm just going to use whatever I can fit in this mug. Okay, cool. So it's 1 mug of flour. I used whole wheat flour because the white flour was sold out. So normally I would just add this in and mix it in by eye. But just for the sake of having measurements, let me just add it to this cup. Okay, so I added hot water to this cup and I'm just going to add it to this flour until I think it's good. So that's about... okay. Actually, you can come see. Come see! Okay, so here it is after adding about a 1/4 cup of water. And it looks a little bit straggly, which is totally fine. Okay, so it looks fine. So we're just going to put it on a clean countertop and then knead it. The reason why we're kneading this is that so that all the gluten fibers, they're really stuck together and they're really elastic and they're nice friends with each other, so that when we wash it in the water, it won't just disintegrate away. So this is the kind of the key step to making seitan from like this, is that you want the gluten to be really active, you want everything to be nice and tight. After 5 minutes of kneading, we get this. Okay, so the next step is the key step. So we're just gonna open the tap. The temperature of the water doesn't matter. And fill the bowl. Turn it off, and we're gonna just squeeze it out. So we're gonna just continue to knead it in the bowl. Essentially what we're doing here is we're dissolving all of the starch that's in this ball into the water. And so what hopefully we're left with after a few washes is just a ball of pure wheat gluten. Okay, so during this process, it might seem like the dough is gonna break apart. Don't be afraid though, because it'll come together. So just be persistent, keep washing it, and it'll come together. Don't worry. So as you can see now, like it looks like it's coming apart, but it won't. And even if it does, in this process, you can always squeeze it back together. Keep at it. Don't worry. It'll be fine. So when you squeeze it now, it's very like stretchy and it's very squishy and it just comes together. It's very elastic. So we're getting there. Yeah, this is definitely the last wash. When we're squeezing it, the water stays relatively clear. So that's when we know we've washed out most of the starch. And there you have it. So we're left with a piece of wheat gluten. And you're good to go. Hi everyone, thanks for watching. So that's pretty much it. You can do now whatever you want with the seitan ball. If you guys want to know what I do with it afterwards, let me know in the comments below and I might make a video of it in the upcoming days. Okay, great. Thanks guys. See you next time. Namaste.